Welcome to our problem solving series. If you bought Bitcoin for 10,000 and it increases by 10%, how do you calculate that increase? I'll start by creating a file here called example 3. If you have been following this series, you must have seen me show you a file containing all of these exercises. So what input do we have? We don't have any value, but it says we should read the value, the current value of Bitcoin. So I create a variable here called BTC value. BTC is the short, is a symbol for Bitcoin, if you don't know. So this can be anything. Yes, we can have decimal point. So float input, and I say, please enter the current value of Bitcoin, or that is the purchase value. We'll get the percentage increase. I'll put percent increase. This, a percent can be anything from 1 to 100, including decimal places. So it's wise to take this as a float. Please enter the percentage increase. As I said in the beginning of this video, I will show you how you do it for percentage increase. And you can use the same logic to do the percentage decrease. Now we need to do some processing. It's that simple. But how do we do this? So let's calculate the percentage increase. Now we have the percentage. Recall that in the example that you see on your screen, the percentage is given like 10%, and 10% means 10 on 100. Don't forget that. The increase value will be the current value of Bitcoin that we've taken from the user, multiplied by the percentage increase. That is, we put the percentage increase here, percentage increase divided by 100. We're converting this to percent. Total BTC value, you add the increase value from to the initial value to have the total increase. So, or the total value after this increase. So we do our current value of Bitcoin, BTC value, plus, plus increase value. It's that simple. And now we print out the output. Print out the output. So we say print. I'll always use the f-string method. The f-string method makes it very easy for you to refer to other variables within your program. So that's my preferred way of printing stuff. And we'll say for a purchase price of, let's assume that this is in US dollars. So we say BTC price, BTC value of BTC, the increase of, we'll put a percentage there, what was that? Percent increase. We'll put it in bracket so that we know for sure what we have done on 100. And will yield, we'll say will yield. I changed myself there. Oh, this is getting so long, so I will do like this instead. If you don't know what this means, this last thing here, I'm telling my Python program that I want this line to continue printing on the same line. So I decrease that and say print again, printf. The current value of BTC after percent increase is, we have the value there, total BTC value. And based on the instruction says we should also print Bitcoin increase value. We leave it like that and we say print. I want it to f-string again. The BTC increase value is, so I have it there, increase value. So let's use the example that we have and increase by 10%. Voila. And just as you saw in the example, the current or the BTC increase is 1,000. There are many things that can go wrong in this program. Can you think of one? Yeah, one of them that can go wrong is if somebody runs this program again. Let me just run it and show you. Instead of giving the number, if I give 4T, for example, T, you see that we have a problem here because 4T is a string and we cannot convert a string to a number. How can you fix this?